Hi all, welcome to Demystifying Markets. So this is for tomorrow's analysis, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Market Profile Learning. Market Profile is the base for this channel. Market Profile base which is everyday live trading session. We are doing an analysis. So stocks and index based on Market Profile use panni we are doing it. And if you want to learn the market profile in a very structured and organized manner, because just because ஒரு poor high or poor low இல்ல ஒரு single print anomaly create பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னா that is not necessary. It should take a support or resistance. So how long this support or a resistance, if so support and resistance is going to work, how long it is going to be, whether it is for to be 2 days or it is to be for a week, or it is for to carry for a month, because we have seen many scenarios like the POC has been carried for a month. So lot of differentiation inside market profile பொறுத்தவரையுமே நிறைய hints இருக்கும். And one of the hint will tell you this is going to be for a temporary purpose and this is going to be for the permanent or long term purpose அப்படின்ற மாதிரி there are so much of differentiation inside the market profile learning. So நிறைய விதமான ஒரு learning-உம் practical sessions-உம் like dot joining நம்ம சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, so that is that what we are going to implement in the training session. So September month is training going to start. So if you want to learn the market profile, kindly contact the WhatsApp number for further details. So everything is purely based on practical work, how best we can use the data from market profile for our trading decisions. Because if earlier or OTF varanga abdina, how best we can predict it, how best we can use the data of the prior times, prior days, and we can expect this kind of movement can be captured at the beginning of the trading session. So coming back to Nifty. So Nifty பொறுத்தவரையும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஆல்மோஸ்ட் நேத்து எந்த இடத்துல க்ளோஸ் ஆனாங்களோ அதோட ஜோன்ல தான் இன்னைக்கு ஓபன் ஆயிருக்காங்க. மார்க்கெட் ஓபன் below the peak of yesterday, that is almost அந்த லெவல்ல ஓபன் ஆயிட்டு மார்க்கெட் பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is having a very good buying excess of yesterday. So it is telling very clearly that is 24,600 ல இருந்து 24,680 வரையுமே there is a good level of buying excess. So market is telling okay, this is a buying zone அப்படின்றது clear-ஆ specify பண்ணிருக்காங்க based on yesterday. And also we know that it is a level where it got resisted, because 24,800 was the expected level of resistance after 24,700 in Nifty பொறுத்தவரையும். So that was the expected level of resistance and market perfect அதை respect பண்ணிருக்காங்க on yesterday. And today what happened? So இன்னிக்கும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா first initial balance period it never gone. So initial balance period again பாத்தீங்கன்னா it was acted as a ஒரு level of OTF உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும், A, B, C, clear OTF, because Reliance was, so Reliance பாத்தீங்கன்னா it was almost சூப்பரான ஒரு movement initial balance timeல நல்லா இருந்தது. So again if you see A and B period, after that only C period தான் அந்த extension provide பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So extension on the resistance exactly. So market was perfectly taking this 24,800 as a resistance and was almost in this level for a longer time. So POC பாத்தீங்கன்னா today's PPOC again at the level of 24,760 zone ல create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. And yesterday also Nifty ல PPOC and today also Nifty ல PPOC, and top closing of today, that is 24,800 அந்த zone ல தான் close பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Almost in the resistance zone ல தான் market closed today. So yesterday Nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே there was no clear extension, because this level of resistance was treated very a good level of resistance. So அதனால there was no extension, having a long or having a wide IB, again buying excess place பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So there was no extension and it is a P-shaped profile. But today what happened, market is slowly started with OTF A, B, C. If you see from the level of 24,680, so market C period வரையும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா 24,790 வரையும் மே ABC clear OTF entry initial balance period க்கு அப்புறம் நடந்திருக்கு. So from the day from the starting of the day till the initial balance ஓட breakout வரையும் நடந்திருக்கு. So further market is trying to breach this level, but again in the zone தான் perfect close ஆயிருக்காங்க. So what the zone is referring actually, so this is almost the 24,800, which is a very very important POC which has been created on the date of 2nd of August. So Nifty close on this POC. Exactly Nifty பாத்தீங்கன்னா is getting restricted on this POC and having a close almost in the zone of POC which has been created on the date of 2nd of August. So 2nd of August க்கு அப்புறம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா market was having a clear இதுக்கப்புறம் தான் market was almost on the downside. So if you see after this 2nd of August, 5th of August lende market is slowly, that is market is slowly moving downwards. If you see அந்த கேப்க்கு அப்புறம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா market almost இந்த இடத்துல தான் consolidate ஆயிருக்காங்க, and then onwards market filling the gap, so trying to come upside, filling the gap one by one, resistance clear பண்ணாங்க, and this level of POC is still acting as a resistance for today and as well as yesterday. So yesterday IB ஓட extension அவங்களால provide பண்ண முடியல, whereas today it has provided the IB extension, but closing also happened at the level of 24,800. They could not breach this level as we expected. This was a perfect level of resistance. It acted as a resistance, provide justice to the POC which has been created on that day. So further pathina, if at all Nifty continues today, Nifty வந்து continue to go above this level of PPOC of 24,760 to 800 அந்த zone வரையுமே ஒரு resistance zone, because ரெண்டு நாளுமே அந்த level அவங்க தாண்டல. So 24,800 could be the first level of or the important level of resistance. If at all Nifty trying to breach this level, then obviously 24,880 to 900 anywhere it could resist, because it was the day of this 2nd of August ஓட perfectana ஒரு high வந்து அந்த இடத்துல தான் அவங்க create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So 24,900 which is the important level to see the next level of Nifty ஓட resistance, and after this obviously 25,000 will be the psychological number, and it was the PPOC which was created before, and after this PPOC only market was slowly coming down. So 25,000 is the important level of resistance for Nifty. So after this date பாத்தீங்கன்னா market is slowly moving downside. So almost இப்போ downல இருந்து மேல வராங்க அப்படின்னா this 24,800 and 900 and 25,000 will be the very important level, and out of all 25k will be the very important resistance level for Nifty. So if at all PPOC lane the market is coming downside, then the immediate poor low or the immediate low and the buying excess of yesterday both will act as a support, that is 24,700 and 24,600 anywhere it could take a support, and this is going to be the important level because 24,600 where it also has the in the zone 24,600 to 580 zone பாத்தீங்கன்னா almost ஒரு PPOC create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So the important zone to refer Nifty is 24,600 to 580 where the PPOC was also created, and after that the buying excess also placed. So this is an important zone, and after that pathina market is, if at all market breaches this level, then 24,500 which is the immediate zone for support system for Nifty. So Nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே upside and downside was very clear, and almost வந்து அந்த POC ல தான் அவங்க க்ளோஸ் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, and the POC யும் தாண்டி நாளைக்கு breach பண்ணாங்கன்னா every level of resistance நம்ம பார்த்தோம். So moving on to Bank Nifty. So இன்னைக்கு ரிலையன்ஸ் ஓட சப்போர்ட் சிஸ்டம் வந்து நல்லாவே இருந்தது. நிஃப்டியை பொறுத்த வரையுமே வந்து ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு இனிஷியல் பேலன்ஸ் பீரியட் வரையுமே அவங்க இந்த ராலியை வந்து கவர் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. OTF ஓட பையர்ஸ் வந்து. So பேங்க் நிஃப்டியை பொறுத்த வரையுமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா coming back to Bank Nifty, again a P-shaped profile on yesterday having this POC has been created on selling excess. If you see the selling excess, the POC has been created ன்னு பார்த்தோம். So this POC has been created for a resistance and not for buying support. So perfectா இன்னைக்கு என்ன ஆயிருக்குன்னா அது selling excess create பண்ணிருக்காங்க, and இனிஷியலா பாத்தீங்கன்னா A periodல இது selling excess இருந்திருக்கும், and then onwards market is trying to come down. If you see A, B period and then onwards பாத்தீங்கன்னா D period was perfectly taken support at the initial or the important level or the first level of support which we have referred வந்து இந்த level நம்ம வந்து பார்த்திருந்தோம். இந்த previous videosல பாத்தீங்கன்னா 50,500 to 50,400 anywhere it could take a support because it was the poor low of this date 19th of August. So perfectா market பாத்தீங்கன்னா it has taken a support in not only one period, so ரெண்டு பீரியடும் அவங்க support system find பண்ணிருக்காங்க, and with that support market was closed almost above in the selling zone. So selling ஓட excess today's intraday selling excessல வந்து close கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, that is almost from this level of 50,430 ல இருந்து market almost closed at the level of 50,800. So this how the market profile tells you a reason. So everything in market profile is definitely for a reason, but how best we can use the information, that is in our hands. So பாத்தீங்கன்னா this poor low has been created for a reason, and this PPOC has been created for a reason. So this poor low has been perfectly taken as a support system for today, and also if you see market வந்து clear-ஆ கீழ வராங்க A, B, C, D வரும்போது why they are getting stop over here. So even market on the இடத்துல ஒரு force வந்தா கூட they find a perfect or initial support at least they can take from this kind of confident ஆன ஒரு setups in market profile. This how market profile will tell you which is do enter and do not enter zone. So அங்கேருந்து perfect அவங்க reverse ஆயிட்டாங்க. It was almost a recovery கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So further பாத்தீங்கன்னா then if at all market is moving from this peak of today, that is 50,600 க்கு மேல if at all market is starting, then obviously this level 50,800 அந்த level வந்து perfect ஆன ஒரு போரை create பண்ண level. market ஓட closing on the level from 800 to 900 anywhere it could resist, and obviously 51k will be the resistance. So till 51k பாத்தீங்கன்னா bank nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே there is lot of excess. So one by one it has to clear the excess. So first level of excess clear பண்ணி close பண்ணிருக்காங்க. But again பாத்தீங்கன்னா intradayல அந்த excess வந்து close பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So the important level to clear bank nifty na liveலயும் நம்ம பார்த்திருந்தோம். Until this level 51k cleared, bank nifty oda upside வந்து is still waiting. So 51k is definitely required to be a resistance. So definitely அந்த இடம் வந்து ஒரு resistance act ஆகிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு. If at all market moves above this level 51k க்கு மேல வராங்க அப்படின்னா then 51,150. So which is a gap ஓட ஒரு filling point. பாத்தீங்கன்னா almost அந்த gap உள்ள enter ஆயிட்டாங்க on this date of bank nifty, but again இந்த gap fill பண்ணல. So 51,150 to 200 anywhere it could resist, and then 51,400 and 51,600 obviously is going to be a POC rejection. So downside ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா if at all today again it's a PPOC in bank nifty. So bank nifty பொறுத்தவரையும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா downside ல ஒரு break கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, but further இந்த இடம் support system find பண்ணிருக்காங்க. If at all it is coming back from POC, so PPOC ல இருந்து வராங்க அப்படின்னா that is 5600 ல இருந்து market is coming, then the important reference to see here is 5400, which bank nifty took support of yesterday. That is on the previous reference ஓட market வந்து இந்த வாட்டி எடுத்திருக்காங்க, and this could be the perfect support system to find because it has provided its support. So bank nifty on the level வந்து ஒரு fast ஆன ஒரு selling இருந்த போதும் bank nifty perfectly found a stop there. So this is going to be first level of support system, and then onwards if at all market is slowly breaking the 5400, then obviously 50,000 to 49,900 could be the best level to see the support system, because this was the excess part as well as the பாத்தீங்கன்னா PPOC ஓட creation. After this day market was almost 3 days வந்து hold பண்ணிருக்காங்க, including today it was 4th day வந்து hold பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So bank nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே the important two level of supports was here and here. So let's track the index and index based stock also tomorrow. So fin nifty பொறுத்தவரையுமே So fin nifty பொறுத்தவரையும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா perfect support and perfect rejection. So rejection பாத்தீங்கன்னா almost வந்து so market almost opened in the level and perfect on the single print zone of yesterday was acting as a support. So this how everything in market profile is like a dot joining. So single print support system வந்து work பண்ணிருக்கு, and then onwards what happened, market was inside the IB for a longer time, and then onwards market was having a buying excess. So without this level, in the level வந்து ஒரு strong buying excess ஆவும் இருக்கு. So market was perfectly taken support almost here in the zone. If you see fin nifty today like bank nifty, it was perfectly taken support in the level of 23,050 where it has to be taken because it was the buying excess, and then onwards market was slowly into the IB level, and then finally it has its closure on the level of POC. Obviously இந்த POC வந்து ஒரு rejection நம்ம பார்த்திருந்தோம், that is 23,200. So like bank nifty, fin nifty again inside the level of excess. So இன்னும் அந்த excess வந்து அவங்க clear பண்ணல, but again excess கிட்ட தான் வந்து excess hit பண்ணிட்டு தான் close பண்ணிருக்காங்க, but again they are not moving, they are inside the excess actually. So they should come out of the excess and then they have to fill the gap. So gap filling பண்ணாலுமே இன்னும் full அவங்க வந்து பண்ணல. So obviously 23,300 வரையும் there is a gap. So this is going to be the important level of resistance. So one is 23,200 and then onwards 23,300, which is going to be the important level of resistance, and then 23,400 and 23,500, which is an important and POC rejection. If at all fin nifty is on downside, then obviously பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2300 if at all market is coming downside, then this level of today's support, that is 23,050 to 23,000, anywhere it could take a support because it is having a long excess and the excess worked very well today. It has provided its justice. Along with the buying excess, it has its own peacock. So from 23,000 to 23,050, anywhere Fin Nifty could take a support. And then onwards 22,900, which was the important day of reference of this level. After this level only, market was staying above this level with a clear OTF presence on the next day. So this is going to be the important level of reference. So I think I've covered all. So kindly do your analysis before you take trade, and thank you so much. And if you would like to join the Telegram, kindly join the link that is available in YouTube. Thank you so much.